Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Sago Javrusi pudding. So in this measurement cup, I have taken 1 cup of Sago Javrusi. It is 200 ml cup. So in the same cup, I have taken 3/4 of sugar, little grated coconut, 2 pieces of cardamom, ghee, few cashews, raisins. Now wash and soak the sago in half a liter of water. On the stove, heat the kadai, add this sago javrusi and water in the kadai. Allow it to boil. Immediately javrusi absorbs all the water and it thickens. Just close it with lid for 5 minutes till sago becomes soft. You can soak the sago in water for minimum half an hour to 1 hour. See, now water has absorbed and it has become thickened. Sago has become soft. Now add the sugar, mix it well. Just keep it in sim for 5 minutes. Now in a seasoning ladle, just add little ghee, add cashews, raisins and cardamom. Keep till color changes. Then turn off the stove. This Javrusi Sago pudding is a dessert recipe. You can serve if any guest comes, or you can prepare this if for any occasions. So now sago has cooked very well. It is in right consistency. Now it's the time to add grated coconut, ghee. Instead of white sugar, you can even use jaggery, brown sugar also. This recipe is very easy to make. You can even prepare this for snack. I have added minimal amount of sugar only. You can add sugar according to your taste. Now finally add the cashew and raisins to Javrusi pudding. Mix it well and you can transfer this to a bowl or a plate. Keep it for some time and then you can serve. If you want, you can refrigerate for some time and then eat. If you like the video, subscribe, like and comment it. Hope you enjoyed the video.